Alright. Well, last week sucked. That was a really bad ending to last week. Pretty crappy loss on Friday, but we did have a really good day on Monday that offset some of that loss there. Let's take a look at this real quick. We're about to open in 3 minutes. Tesla was really close to hitting the target that we had for it, and I gave it way too many chances to follow through on what it needed to do. I thought I was going to bounce here, and then I thought there was going to be a bounce around here. It didn't work out, and that actually set us at the stop loss limit. There was a gap here to fill. So yeah, there was a possible bounce here, and then there was a fill here that could have also been a possible bounce area. I gave this thing too many damn chances. Turns out the thing that worked was the 20 period moving average on the 15 minute. You wait for that bar to remove it. So it brought about a few different questions for me, because initially, with that current strategy that I'm trying to do, to get the entire move of a stock, I have my stop below the 15-minute candle. But the problem was that last month I ran into two different cases where the complete 15-minute bar got taken out, the stock reversed, and those are massive losses if that happens, because you're using your full size to hit the target. So I tried adjusting that to a specific amount of a loss each day, around $1,000. We went a little bit over that last week, but I also had a day on Monday where I made much more than that to kind of offset that. One of our better days in recent memory. But if I had kept the original stop, which is the bottom of the 16-minute candle, then we wouldn't have lost that much. But I stopped myself out here because that was a stop loss limit. So it kind of pisses me off, because it showcased the old stop that this is the intention for it, was that most likely will not break through the bottom in reverse. But I got scared out of doing that, because last month, we were close to goal like in the first 2 weeks, and then just hitting two of those at the same time just completely wiped out that opportunity. Oh, well, now it's time to play a game that's more rigged than the Super Bowl, right? Total profit for last week was like $500 after that loss. So that was a big pain in the fucking ass. Well, you made more than I did, so I don't know if it was that pitiful. Alright, I'm sitting on the cat and I'm stepping away. I gotta figure this shit out. Alright, so this is interesting. I actually wanted this thing to gap down a little bit before reversal.
I feel you. The markets can be tough sometimes, and we all have our ups and downs. But remember, it's all part of the game.
Let me drop this down to 5 minutes. So this is actually what I was looking for here.
And keep pushing forward. You've got this. Don't let a setback hold you back. Keep trading like a badass and success will come your way.
Okay, I'm on full concentration mode now. Oh, but I don't want to get carried away on trying to get revenge on this thing, if possible, so I also want to keep my eye out on other things that are out there.
Yoda. Huh?
We at least wait for the
He's
first
a legendary
5
Jedi
minutes on this
master
one.
from the Star
Typically, I
Wars
want to wait for the
universe,
first
known for his wisdom,
15 minutes to be done, but
speech pattern, and
I knew they were going to run this
mastery
fucking
of the
thing up.
Force. With his pointy ears and little green stature, Yoda has become an iconic
Who's the
symbol
Yoda?
of wisdom.
That
and
is
power.
my cat,
So,
Jupiter.
if you're looking for guidance and
I could
some
bring him to your
epic
birthday
Jedi
party for a
teachings,
fee.
Yoda's the one to turn to. May the Force
Jay
be with
Jared,
you.
it's been a while.
Birthday party?
Usually you're doing stuff at the same time.
Yoda may not be available to personally attend your birthday bash, but I can assure you he'd bring some serious Jedi vibes to the party. Just imagine him showing up, dropping some wisdom, and maybe even
Hope everything's
busting out
going
a
well with you and
lightsaber.
your family.
Now that would be a party to remember.
Nah,
Jay
alright,
Jared live.
so we could wait
I'm
for the
no
first 5
AI.
minutes
I'm a
here.
real black cat.
This is
who's been
exactly what I was
blessed
looking
with
for,
some
though. I was looking
serious
for a sweep
human-like
from below.
abilities. I'm the real deal. No fancy algorithms or
I usually have the
artificial
cat on
intelligence
because I'm
here.
trying to concentrate in
Just
the morning.
a badass feline
So
with
it's
a
hard for
knack
me to
for
do
financial
chat,
expertise,
at least until I get my first
gaming,
entry
and all
in.
things awesome. So, let's leave the AI talk to the machines, and enjoy some
Okay.
human-like banter instead. Hey, that's the spirit, Jay Jared.
Here, I'll turn him off. He's just going
Taking
off.
a day off
He
is
just
always a good idea to recharge and
set him
enjoy
to,
some well-deserved time for
not
yourself.
respond to absolutely
Kick back,
everything that comes
relax,
through, but
and indulge in whatever makes you happy, whether
just
it's
said I'm
gaming,
talking
watching
about everything. I'll
movies,
disable
or
him now.
just lounging
I'll
around.
disable him. He can just
Enjoy your day off, my
do his
friend.
thing here.
You deserve
Alright,
it.
so we have the first 2 minutes complete. Let me keep doing a scan so I don't run into I don't get tunnel vision on trying to get Tesla. Alright, mRNA, so we are below both moving averages. We have cleared the previous day's range. We're still in a pretty good position here, so mRNA is probably going to be the first thing on my list to look at. Also, the market is down slightly, not too bad. No, what? Airbnb. Okay, we can't do this one. This one's already to goal within the first 5 minutes, so not much there for the risk reward. Baidu. Baidu has a little bit of a gap up. We could do this one, but we'd have to wait for the high to get taken out, and I don't like running gaps all that much, but that's a possibility, so we can keep Baidu on there. Although Baidu's on NYSE, or sorry, no, it's not. Okay, it is on NASDAQ. Alright. Let's see here. Carvana. No, Carvana's on NYSE, right? Yes. So this one has slightly delayed data, at least in the profit and loss column. The price data is real time, but for some reason they charge for having your P&L synced here. It's really weird how that works. Like, you can still get real-time data here, but then whenever I enter a position, it looks like I've lost thousands of dollars because it's delayed by 15 minutes. It's really weird. For business accounts, they charge $45 on for the NYSE stuff. And you can use that as a write-off, but it's not really worth it. Okay, Marvel. I wouldn't do this one. It's going against the... or it's in between moving averages. Alright, what actually hit the alert here? Okay, Tesla. Damn it, this is the fucker that I knew this was gonna happen. Alright, still gotta wait. So it looks like we're gonna do Tesla here. So I really wanted this thing to break the high of last week, and this thing was in such a constrained space. It never hit target. It didn't really move all that much. It did a sweep in the middle of the day. It really sucked. Alright, so we're in our first trade. Ideally, I'd wait 15 minutes. Sorry, my screen disappeared here. Yeah, it'd be interesting to have that, especially for your channel, because you're doing a lot of analysis and need to step out. So yeah, we can talk about it later. Okay, so we're in a little bit of a loss. That's fine. We have a good, strong 5-minute bar. Even if this one gets taken out, we should still be able to make another trade again. It's on the smaller size. We're more of in a scalping mode today because I really wanted to, maybe I'm blinded by what Tesla pulled last week. Pretty annoying. But we do have mRNA. Oh, AMOT came on the screen too. That's a good one to play around with. Okay, let's go There's Baidu again. I don't like gap up. Emot. Emot's got everything you want. Ooh, alright, well you just graduated. And the market's up, so you're going the right way. Alright. Tesla, you've been in a constrained position for a bit. You did show on the daily that you made a low, you reversed it, you bounced off the low, so you have a level here, and then you just had this constrained move, so I'm looking for you to break through this stuff today. It could always chop around still in that same range, but we know that it's already tested that low. It's good seeing you, Jay. Alright. So I will say that it's not free. You do have to pay for the ChatGPT API, but it's not too expensive either. I think it's worth it for you know, having some type of interaction when you can't interact, like if you're doing the same crap that I'm doing. We're waiting for the high to get taken out. I really hope it doesn't. I don't think it should sweep again because it already retested this. But let's pay attention to what's going on here. Sweetmot's the other possibility. Once a 15-minute candle's been hit. Baidu, man, this thing. Well, this thing's already... Can't do this one now because it's already getting towards target, so the risk reward ain't there anymore, unless you want to go above target, but after that, I don't know where the thing's gonna go, so that's done with. Roku could be one. Alright, so we got Roku. Tesla we're already in just because trying to project the future. Alright, let's go pay attention to Tesla then. I'll look at the others once we're closer to that 15-minute mark. So, Tesla swept the low. It already, that was a retest of that bottom that it made last Friday. Target's way up here. Target hit, okay, moved our stop to target here. Once the first 15 minutes are done, maybe I should, we gotta wait. We gotta wait until there's a close above before I add on to anything here. Byron, that's what I like to see. Let's make some money here. Alright, so if we can get a closure above that previous high here, I'm going to add to my position, even though it's a little bit earlier than my 15-minute mark that I watch. We're not closing above yet. Alright, got a candle above. Let's see if we can close above it. And then we'll see if the, ideally, I mean, this is the high of last week, so ideally our next step would be to wait for that high break of last week and then add... Let me zoom out on the 15-minute, good 15-minute start. But we have 4 minutes left. The other thing that pisses me off too is that we were actually in profit for a bit. but we'd never quite reached the spot where I'd want to start preserving my gains. I want to get to at least 500 bucks, and before I start kind of unraveling, either $500 or close to target, wherever is wherever we're at from our entry, and we never got there, so I just kind of let the thing roll over. I did stop at some profit, but then when I re-entered and lost, re-entered and lost, re-entered and lost, I kind of fucked up the entire day. So... Alright, we're above. Uh, 30 seconds left. Shit, I should... Alright. This thing is already getting close to my target here. Alright, my final piece of the puzzle will be a retest from this high, and then move up to target. Or we can remove a little bit if we hit 500. Alright, I'm putting on the cat again. Nah, now things will slow down a bit. Just let me know if,
Hey there, Brego Biddies. I hear you. We all hope for those green days to roll in, especially when we have positions we're eager to close. Keep an eye on the market, analyze the trends, and make your move when the time feels right.
So we are fully engaged on Tesla. We can't play any other names that we have on the list here.
Cheers.
The market's a little bit wishy-washy. It's actually not great because we have a kind of have an indecision candle here. We had a sweep of the low, sweep of the high, and now we're just kind of stuck in the middle. We need to wait for a breakthrough. At least that's on the MQ. It doesn't have to manifest itself on what we're actually looking at, but I kind of want you kind of want your stock to be going the same way as the rest of the market. Alright. Dig it in here. First 15-minute bar almost completed. 30 seconds left. Then we'll see if they roll the thing over. I should probably move my stop here. It should not break this. And I think that'll probably put us at our stop loss if it does, because we got quite a bit on the line here. Alright, first 15 minutes done. If we get one more retest here and a reversal, I'll put in the last bit. Alright, so now we're negative. So we can get one more thing here. First 15-minute candle done. So this is where I'd get into the main position, but here we went a little bit early. So now, if I was playing this the other way, we'd wait for the high of day break and add in shares, but we were getting in down here, and then up here we add a little bit more, but now we're gonna add, if we see a break of the high here, the last bit that I've got left on buying power. Ah, shit. Fucking... Well, it could have been up $300 instead of down $300. Goddamn, you better not hit my goddamn stop loss. Let's give it a second. So you're at the right location, you're at the right percentage for me to have wanted to enter. But you would have had to break the high here, and you have not. This is a hell of a pullback. I'm gonna get fucking stopped out again. You really fucked me today, come on. Oh shit, this is almost a full takeout. Interesting. That's a really nasty liquidity grab. You don't know if it's going to be a liquidity grab or reversal. You'd think it'd be another quick grab, because it already swept the low here. Whoops. It already swept the low there. But now it definitely has to prove itself. Because right now we are getting wrecked. It's gonna be a quick damn day. So that's a bounce off the 15-minute, 20-period moving average. That seemed to have helped it last week. But we are not making any other entries until this thing gets above the high now. Market's doing a little bit of a pullback. Oh, God. One of those tougher days again. Ah, shit, we're gonna get fucked. Well, Bitcoin's still doing well. That one's one of my longer term things, but damn, this day trading thing is not working out. Yeah, market's pulling back pretty hard. Getting real close to stop loss. Still stuck in that really nasty range, but we did form a bottom, but it's not, it does have resistance on the daily, but I would have expected a breakthrough. Alright, damn it, we're gonna fucking lose again. So I gotta flatten this out in a second here. This is already a lot worse than I thought. See where this thing closes. Oh my gosh. Let me take a look at the 5-minute. That is really nasty. This looks like this does look like a pretty bad reversal here, but we gotta give it a minute. Because if I wasn't managing this, and then it'd be a little bit closer to the bottom here. But this looks like a reversal. The market is bouncing a little bit. Yuck. 2 days in a row, huh? So we currently have 5 wins and 2 losses, but that looks like it might change today. That is a hell of a trend to break. Meanwhile, if we've gone into anything else, okay, AMOT wouldn't have worked. Jeez. Roku would have worked. Break above the high. Continuation. But AMOT was our next thing on the list. Marvel we couldn't have played. And then what was it? Baidu was the other one we were looking at. Baidu was from a gap up. It doesn't look too bad on a 5-minute, but when I looked at it from the 15, it looks a little bit high, but it did break above last week's resistance, so suppose I had that going for it. Although if I had done my regular stance on it, then the first 15 minutes was already above my entry point. It already had grabbed most of the move for the day, in addition to being a gap up, so it's a little bit not ideal. Huge sweep from Tesla, man. That thing's a fucking ball buster, Widowmaker, curse stock, as Prego Biddy says. But if the thing breaks the high, then where else can it go? 2 sweeps. Could still roll over here. This is just the... Could be a dead cat bounce. We need this thing to break the high. That is a pretty nice reversal, though. That's above 50% of that bar. But it doesn't have enough juice. That is quite the sweep, man. That thing... Oh. There's only one thing in that Dragon Sphere, and that's a reversal in the stock that they've entered. Is there anything else you want at them? Oh, god damn today. When I write on my notes, I actually have a, I have this list of tags that I use to tag different attributes of the day. And one of them is, a long wait. So like, in order for me to hit my target, it actually took a long time to wait. Usually, if it's gonna go to target, it does it immediately, but there are a couple of times where the thing just, lingers for a really long time, sometimes the entire day, and then during power hour, it jumps out. Well, let's see here. So today, so far, we were up 300, but we couldn't take anything because it didn't even get to the first, the payout range. Then we were down $1,000 for a brief minute, and now we're slightly less worse than we were before. So now this looks good. Let's see here. So we have a low. We retested the low, but now we need to break the high here. So we're looking at this from a level standpoint. Low, breakout, retest. I didn't want to see this retest though. I mean, there's no reason that it should have done that. It already did that on like on an intraday, or sorry, like a daily frame here. If we zoom out, it already went there this morning and it opened there. And that was on the 1 minute, just so you can see the intricate details of just what went on there. Alright, now we're up again. Fucking scary shit, man. That's fucking Friday the 13th. All kinds of shit. Whatever horror movies all put up into one. This is the most fucking scary horror movie you can think of. Ugh. Jesus Christ. Almost got bopped out. Alright, so let's wait for the break of the high. I'm gonna add in my last two lots. And then we got the target up here. Alright, break the high, you fucking piece of shit. God damn today, man. These fucking assholes. Must be mad that the 49ers lost yesterday, huh? So they're just being pissed off about it. Not that I know shit fuck about football. Alright, so... looking for my first take profit time. I might actually have to do another retest here after this break, so we won't get worried about it too much, but I don't want this candle to be taken out. That's gonna be a big red alert. Now that we've settled there. Alright, so, got that going for us. So this is an even stronger push-up, considering we survived that reversal. But another thing that market makers like to do is do one more sweep at the high before actually reversing the trend, so we also have that worry as well. They can do all kinds of different tricky shits, but we have to play it as we see it. If that 15-minute candle closes green, it should be golden. Damn, that is a hell of a... I mean, if you look at this on the 15-minute, this thing went to hell and back. This thing's seen some shit. But I do want this high... I mean, I don't want this high to just peter out, because we know that they like to sweep new highs before rolling it. Now, if I did full scalping, I'd have money because I don't wait. I would have taken that 300, but then I'd probably call it good after that. I always miss the meat of the move, for example, when I did that. Now I'm trying to get the full move of it, but it also means more waiting and a little bit more risk. But I was also... Another dangerous thing while scalping is that you're playing the same range multiple times, so you could be up and then down and then up and then down. I tried that for a long time with different strategies, and it just didn't work out for me. It's always a danger of getting into a chop before you realize it. Alright, let's get the high here. Come on, baby. Come on. Alright. Break this high here, you're golden. Really good reversal of the reversal here. That was some scary shit. It's the scariest thing I've had in a while. Come on, baby. Uh-oh. Market's in a hissy fit. Alright, this is not as strong as we'd want. Alright, this is bad. So that was a sweep at the high. This is that danger that I was telling you about. It already retested this, so if it gets down here again, I'm gonna have to flatten with a loss, unfortunately, because that's just gonna be too much of a risk. It could come back here as well, but I've given this thing so many chances last week. One would argue I could have taken some profits here, but, you know, you don't want to cut yourself short. And it didn't get to my first target, which was the $500 mark. It was kind of playing around in that 300, but we've gone from 300 to negative to 300 again, and now we're negative again. You don't want to get jolted by this shit. So now we have to wait for this eye to get taken out again.
Thanks for sharing, Brego Ditties, but that's some TMI right there. I'll just pretend I didn't hear that and we can move on to a less, intimate topic, shall we?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to hand wash my panties too, because of,
Glad I
think I
could
shit
bring a
myself
smile to your
earlier
face.
from that sweep
Brego
of-
Ditties.
sweep of the
Laughter
low
is always
there.
a good way to lighten the mood. If you have any other topics or questions you'd like to discuss, feel free to let me know. Let's keep the conversation rolling, my friend.
Jesus H. Christ.
Well, King Phillips, as a proud black cat who acts like a human, I have to say that trust is an important thing,
Trust my
even
own
when
fart.
it comes to farts. Let's just say, it's better to be cautious and not take any unnecessary risks in the department. You never know when things might take an unexpected turn. So, it's always a good idea to proceed with caution, my friend. Trust me on that.
Okay. I have to keep my speakers low, because you'll hear an echo. Or I have to mute my mic. Come on, baby, just go over the high. You did 2 sweeps. God, what a fucking whore you are today.
Trading with over 1,000 shares is perfectly fine, Brego Biddies. However,
Why would it be bad?
ultimately depends
It's
on
all
your
about
trading
risk
strategy,
tolerance. You want to be able to
risk
scale.
tolerance, and the volume and liquidity of the stocks you're trading. Make sure to consider factors such as market conditions, price volatility,
Alright, gonna take
and
off
your
a
own
little bit
financial
here.
goals. If you're comfortable with the potential risks and have a well-thought-out trading plan, then trading with over 1,000 shares can be a viable option. Stay informed and trade smart.
Definitely, his
You're
answer is pretty
absolutely
good.
right,
Definitely if the
King
liquidity is
Phillips.
there.
When it comes to trading, the dollar amount you invest is what really matters. The number of shares you trade is just a reflection of that dollar amount, but it's the overall value and potential return that count. So, focus on your desired dollar amount, manage your risk wisely, and make sure your trades align with your financial goals. May your profits be plentiful.
Yeah, it really depends on what you're in. Some of those penny stocks, you might get locked in and not have anyone on the other side to take it out from you. That's why I do the big cap stuff, because 1,000 shares is the fart in the wind. So I took off one lot when I got up to 500. I should have taken off another one, but let's see. So now we had a reversal. We had a reversal of the reversal. We had a really nasty bar. Oh, Jesus fuck. Man, this thing is grindy. Holy shit. You could even have added here, but I'm trying to make things less painful for me. Jesus Christ today, man. This is definitely one of the worst sessions for a while. This is even worse than Friday in my argument. Even though we lost on Friday, we didn't have this fucking scare like this. Jesus Christ, I might have to fucking get out depending on how this thing... Yeah, the market's doing the same thing. It's really, real lethargic still within that opening 15-minute candle. I was hoping that, based off of what we saw last week, and then the bouncing twice, that this thing would keep up there. Especially after doing all this work, but it's still... I mean, we're still in this positive direction, but these pullbacks are just too damn strong. Much stronger than they should be. This is not fun trading. Now we're again negative 300 bucks. Fucking ridiculous, man. Alright, well, we're making a run for our stop loss again. Jesus. Could it even reverse again? This is what I was worried about, the sweep of that high, and then a rollover. And we still don't know if it's gonna hold or not. But it doesn't look good. We're still in the positive trend. We still have a reversal bar. Hopium, all that shit. This is a bit fucked. Alright, I think we're fucked. God damn it. Alright. Let's see if that 50% mark holds. If it doesn't, I have to manually flatten this thing out. Man, these fuckers are really sweeping. Does it even have enough juice at this point? The back and forth has been so damn painful. They're leaving no gaps unfilled. Okay, you really need to run here. We can't have a low lower than this low at this point. But you're gonna do it anyway, aren't you? Didn't hold the high of last week. Fucking shitty. And take a look at some of the other things that are out here. Yeah, sweep of the low, man. Jesus. What about Coinbase? I should be having a good day. Yeah, Coinbase had a good day. I wonder why I didn't show up on my list earlier. Okay, it's on our all-important 50% mark here. This is not ideal, man. This thing should have just fucking ran. Fuck. Alright. See where this asshole closes. Damn, look at that action there. That is crazy. It's been a while since I've seen some type of bullshit like that. Usually there's follow-through. This one is, man. I haven't seen any 15-minute candle like that in recent memory. Because I'm in it today, huh? Alright, we're below the 15-minute mark, getting ready to flatten out. Because now the risk-reward isn't going to be there. Or it won't be if if it somehow today does break the high here, then I'm not going to be able to make my money back. Can't believe it. Oh, the Mad Lads did it, didn't they? Made a new high and rolled it. Market's still positive. Oh no, it's not. It's negative, but it didn't, there's no follow through the downside. Shit, what a crappy loss. Really mixed emotions here. You'd think that there'd be follow through there. And then I gave it too long of a chance to figure itself out. Yeah, but we're almost at the stop loss at this point. It kind of sucks because, yeah, you'd still expect it to go long, but now it's... Oh, we gotta flatten out here. It's gonna have to break that... No, it's gonna die off here. It really should have held. Yeah, alright, we're out. Son of a bitch. I did not expect that, so we're dead for the day. Fuck me, man. That's fucking crazy. I haven't seen that in quite a long time. So we're gonna record a loss again. That sucks. Yeah, that is crazy, huh? They reversed the 15-minute bar, and then they reversed it again, and now they've gone too far. They've broken below the 50% mark of that reversal. Now they made a new high and they rolled it over, which is what I was afraid of them doing. That is crazy. They really fucked me today. I can understand last week, but today is that's something. So I don't know why Coinbase didn't show up on my list earlier, but that one was the one to be in. That's crazy. So they definitely broke the trend now. Man, all that effort. We waited through all of this. We got to our first take profit part, and I did take some of the shares off, but I didn't expect it to roll over completely after that, so they did that new high bullshit. So I don't know, Byron, what have you, what did you suggested? I mean, at this point, it could go up higher, but damn, it's gonna be in this chop zone after all this resistance up here. So it couldn't hold the high of last week. So that made it, I mean, that was the first danger sign. Maybe we could have, honestly, when this low got broken, this should have been our stop out, but we also had the monetary stop out, which we took. There were danger signs. But damn, that's two losses in a row. And this would have been a valid 15-minute entry as well. If we were using the other strategy. So today was just a real pretty fucked up thing. Damn. Didn't break the low, but that's too big of a move reversed after it did a reverse. That is just fucked up. Cursed. That is fucked up. So it's another constrained day. Stuck in this range here. God damn it. So Amont wouldn't have worked out. Coin hit its goal. It's reversing now, but it did hit the target. Baidu hit target, but it was from a gap up. A little bit dangerous, but it did, I mean, that gap up did sweep above resistance points. But you don't know if they're going to sell it off or not. Marvel's not quite there yet. But it's certainly performing better than Tesla did. mRNA was our target to the downside. But, it moved too far down and then it reversed. So that's why you also wait the first 15 minutes sometimes when they do this. But, you know, even doing that in Tesla today didn't work out. There's just, this just didn't work out. I mean, there was a lot of, I thought for sure we had it after that 15-minute reversal, but damn, they made a fucking another low here. Oh god, that's painful. Yeah, now that I'm out, it'll go long. Fucking joy. It's above the open. Unbelievable, man. These fucking dipshit fuck faces. So this will be another good, good example on the notes here, because my previous stop would have been the bottom of that candle. of the first 15-minute candle. So let's see if it hits it. But then again, my losses would be over 2,000 bucks if it did sweep the low there. God damn, look at this shit. Fucking A. But there were worries based off of how the market is moving as well, because it made its first 15-minute range and now it's just been stuck. And Marvel's gonna hit its goal. See, that's a really nice move here. This is exactly what you want to see. Nasty. ENPH was another possibility. That one's gonna go to goal, but Tesla was the one that fucked us today. But it also could have been a valid entry as well. So I'm gonna have to review the video footage and see what came up on the scan and what we could have gone into, because there's a couple of things that did work out. Man, I'm besides myself here. So now we're gonna rack up 3 losses, so 5 wins, 3 losses this month. God damn, I can't believe it. Ay, ay, ay. ENPH going to goal. This is one that I had trouble with last week, I think, too. But now it just had a smooth run. Well, executive decision here. We couldn't break the low here. We would have to see this thing if you wanted to go long again, but we've already fucking lost here, so don't want to make it any bigger than it needs to be. But I'm really, nah, this is just gonna get stuck in the range. Can't give this thing any more chances. We gave it too many chances last week, and then fuck this. Oh, so painful. We're out in the first hour. Moonwatcher, welcome. I think, man, that is painful. Not the best day. How was your weekend, Moonwatcher? I'm kind of curious. I want to watch this thing for a bit before I jump on a game.
Hey there,
Wow.
Moonwatcher. It sounds like you are taking some time to relax and enjoy the comfort of sheltering in. That's a great way to recharge and take care of yourself. Whether it's finding solace in the company of your furry friends or simply taking a break from the outside world, embracing a chill and cozy atmosphere can do wonders. So, kick back, relax, and let the world wait for a while. Enjoy your peaceful moments.
Yeah, Super Bowl is pretty crazy. It's always nice to go into an overtime. It makes it more exciting. Although King Philip who's in chat is a 49ers fan, so try not to give him too much shit about that. So Taylor Swift won the Super Bowl. That's about the extent of my knowledge. So what do we got here? We got a sweep of the low, it went lower than this low. So if you're playing this off the levels, it needs to get above here. Man, that is nasty. Oy. And now the market's starting to rally. But it hasn't broken its high yet either. It's range bound. Just really nasty. Alright, let me turn on my game console. I kind of want to pick up where we left off on Final Fantasy. Ugh. The gambler in me almost wants to just put a stop at the low here. That's bad management, but frustrating as fuck. Alright, kids. I guess it's time to move to a game, but man, I'm kind of transfixed on this thing. God damn it, look at that shit. You almost want to just go in it and go in on it. But it has all this overhead resistance, so what are the odds of it just breaking through all that crap and not getting stuck range bound? Because it could stay on. I mean, it did make an okay move, it's below average of its move. Ah. Alright. So made some progress on this last week. I just want to play another day of this before moving on to something else. Just as of a homage to Final Fantasy VII Rebirth coming out at the end of the month. Okay, Alright, so what do we get? So, let's see here. We got, like, this gunpowder thing that allow the dwarves to blow up, a canal for us to go through. We gave that prince his crown thing. We have the mystic key. Let's see here. Where's that dwarf place? Mount Durgar? Duergar? Yeah. Something charming about these old pixelated graphics. Man, even the white mage can beat some butt. Ow. Levels up. Now, where's the docks over here? I don't want to have to walk too much and get stuck on random encounters. Ow. So, Moonwatcher, are you a football fan, or do you just pay attention to the Super Bowl and the playoffs? Alright, Byron, thanks for stopping by. Sorry I missed that, How did I miss that text? Oh well. Let's see here. We'll see you when you get back. Oh man, backtracking in this game is the worst. What happened is we got stopped out. I have Jupiter muted. Yeah, I finished trading. I got stopped out. So we had a strong 15-minute candle. Then we had a reversal. And then we reversed the reversal. And then that reversal candle got reversed and we got stopped out. It hit our stop loss, so we had to break out of it. And that's what happened. It's fucking crazy. Look at the chart of that thing. No, I was trying to go long. I was trying to be long the entire time. But, it broke our stop loss. It should have held, and it didn't hold the levels that it broke through. So the only thing to do is wait until the thing got our stop loss hit, and that's what happened, so that's another loss on the record books. You have to go at 11:20. You got time. I was trading Tesla, so take a look at what Tesla did.
Alright, I'll on the market like a hawk, ready to pounce on any opportunities that come my way. So, whether it's NVDA, TSLA, or any other badass ticker, I'm always on the lookout for those sweet trading chances. H.
That was a damn heartbreaker, man. Yeah. Definitely barcoding, but it
downs of the market.
It gave us
TSLA.
Trying to mute you. It gave us some hope there because of that. I was holding through that kangarooing. That's a new one. I thought for sure we had it after it reversed the reversal. I thought it tried to grab liquidity, and then I thought, okay, this is where it's going to take off from here, and it just didn't. And then we just had to take a stop loss at the max loss per day. But that is, shitty. I'm still really curious where it'll end up today. Maybe it'll get stuck in that range there. It didn't break the low of day, but it damn sure broke intraday support. Oh Jesus, am I on the wrong continent? God damn it. I'm so dumb. That's fine, this is all according to plan. I just wanted to level up, that's all I wanted, right? What story? Don't need no story progression. Oh, my head pats? It should work. What happened to my head pats? Oh, okay. I guess I need to reset that. Hold on a second, let me go up here. If there's a bridge or something. Sorry, I'll refund your points once I'm done here. No head pats, I'm fucking angry. Just kidding. Give me back my money! Alright, I'll do that now. Alright, give me a second, I'll give you your money back. Wouldn't want to screw over any customers. Where is that? Where's the redeeming thing? Where are you, Redeemy? Okay, viewer rewards, channel points, manage, review request queue, head pat. I don't even see that on here. I actually don't see any head pat requests. I don't see you use the points. So I don't see anything to redeem, I don't see anything to pay back. $18K? What did I have at $18K? Oh, saving up for your own dragon. I don't think I have anything that high. Oh man. Yeah, the biggest one I have is the 200,000 points where I insult you. I don't know if I really want to do that. I might have to cut that reward. It was something funny I was gonna have in the beginning. Yeah, I don't see your request in the queue. Ugh. Jupiter's running his mouth on dumb stuff. I mean, I've seen you use it before, but I see 0 requests on here, so I can't redeem anything or refund anything back. I made some updates to myself, so you can see my mouth. And I didn't put back the magical head pat, and that's my expression for the day. What the fuck happened? Oh, I should probably change my category, because we ain't doing stocks anymore. Alright, I have to heal again, because I was too stupid and I went the wrong way. Yeah, I guess I'll have to trade tomorrow. I was hoping to get a good win today, so I can have that on the channel, and then not have to record it for a bit, take a little bit of a break, because I don't want to lose on I don't want to go out on a bad note. But it didn't happen today. Today was really painful, because it feigned going higher for a long period of time. That actually reminds me, on the Super Bowl yesterday, there was a video of Biden talking about shrinkflation, and then he was blaming the companies for that. And it's kind of funny because, has he taken a look at the devaluation of the dollar? Shit that himself and all of his predecessors have a part in doing? No one ever talks about that. I mean, companies have to do a repricing if the currency falls. And that little speech isn't going to change all that. They put the blame on the companies. It was really interesting to, really interesting that they went ahead and did that. So either there really is a really poor understanding of economics there, or they're just trying to cater to the lowest common denominator and hope no one notices. Yeah, shrinkflation sucks, but it's in part caused by the devaluation of the currency. Like, I had an old bottle of shampoo and I bought a new one, and that same type of family size thing is way smaller than before. Same thing with, like, potato chips and crap. I'm getting distracted, I'm like... not paying attention to where I'm going. There we go. Oh, geez, step off the boat and get my butt kicked. He's been waiting for me. Gobble these nuts. That's what Tesla did to me today. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to recover this month after that one. Well, I'll be able to recover if I can keep within my, my win-loss ratio, but having 2 losses like that back-to-back is very disheartening. Especially for something that should have gone to target. Ridiculous. Okay, so I'll actually have to go this way all the way. Da 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 beep beep beep. Wait a minute. But how the hell do I get over there? I mean... Oh, there is a damn... There's a damn dock over there, okay. What a maroon. Jesus. We've only done 2 games this month so far, so I'm gonna have to, start on something new tomorrow, just so we have enough interesting content for the highlight reel. But this is, in preparation for the Final Fantasy remake at the end of the month. This is a little celebration thing. I didn't have time to check my email this morning either. Let's see. Oh, anything important? Nope. Alright. So where's this dock here? I hope the dwarves have an inn. I think they do. Alright. Go into that cave. There it is. Ah! Jeez. That's quite the stab from Mr. Black Mage. Alright. Alright. Dwarves are gonna get their gunpowder. Was this an inn? Nope. Do you guys have an inn? Surprised that I'm enjoying this game. I mean, I definitely would have liked it, or I did like it back in the day, but, you know, modern sensibilities and all that, this is really dated. Nitro powder. The explosive force in this powder will have my canal open in no time flat. I owe ye Barnes. Bairns? Don't understand your jibba jabba. The powder's set to blow! Get your asses out of here. Run. Run faster. Cool, now I can take my ship out, and I can go anywhere we want. Booms. Cool. We're not landlocked anymore. Seriously, why did the pirates have a ship that was landlocked? Or couldn't go anywhere with it. Cool. Now we have the whole world. What's over here? Ooh. Worm Killer, Ether. These guys are loaded. Mithril Mail, Money, Tent. Wow, these guys are loaded. Okay, so Worm Killer should be a better sword. Wow, that is a much better sword. Iron Shield, no. Great Helm is way better, and Mithril Mail, right? Defense goes down, but the evasion goes up. Well, I don't really need evasion. I need to be a good tank. What about the Thief? Thief could use it, right? No, he can't wear it. Can't wear Mithril? It's not even heavy. So this warrior is gonna sacrifice some of his defense for, or sacrifice some of his, evasion. Or sorry, yeah, defense. You don't really need to evade, you need to be standing in front of shit. Alright, whatever. Defense 24, weight 23. That is a... Oh man, that evasion drop. Yeah, it's kind of hard to say if this is actually worth it or not. Alright, I think we're done with the dwarves. They've got nothing useful here. Not even an inn. These guys just sleep on the ground. They just... These are pickaxes and mine all day, and then they just sleep in front of the rock that they've been digging into. No, I didn't change my category. Alrighty. Cool, we can finally leave this place. Assuming these enemies will allow us to. Man, it's so sad. We could have been in multiple names today and gotten profitable. And we were on the thing that didn't work out. And now the market's jumping. Fucking crazy, dude. That really pisses me off. It's a wasted day. Hey, look at that, new town. Alright. You guys better not be weirdos. Oh, you're weirdos. Ooh, Kiraga! Holy crappos. We want that. We want revival. Healara, wow, that's even better. Alright, well, we're done with level 5 stuff. We're rich now, we can afford anything. Sleepy time. Maybe these guys have a better piece of armor. Saber, longsword. That's actually better than my worm killer. Attack 20. Hold on a second. I think I have a falchion that I actually gave my warrior instead. Yeah. I need to waste time. Attack 29. I don't get it. Accuracy's better? Is that what it's telling me? No, it's not better enough. Not enough better. Oh my god, this guy's house is completely screwed. Sorry, kids. Got nowhere to live. Firaga, there we go. Learn it. Instantly kills all enemies? Holy shit. Spirit is cool. Transports enemies to the previous floor. That's actually pretty useful. But I can't, I'm out of slots. Out of sluts. Bronze gloves, cool. Why not go to steel gloves? I already got the great helm. Silver armlet. Okay, we got a couple people that can use that. Spend all our money now. Okay. I'm trying to remain positive after getting my ass kicked today. Selling all our clothes. We ain't gonna wear clothes anymore. Nobody else pays. Can use iron armor. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need a random helmet in our pants. Don't need copper amulets. Don't need a worthless saber. God, I had a lot of sabers. Steel gloves. Broadsword. We don't need a broadsword anymore. Don't need that. I had a lot of steel gloves. Cool. Sold off all our junk. Is there someone to talk to here? All of you look depressed. There's something that I, the great genius, do not know. What, you never heard of me? Inconceivable. What's this guy doing? Cavern of the Earth is south of Melmond, on a peninsula called the Devil's Tail. Oops, I didn't read all you said. Used to be closer, but you got to the cave, more fertile the soil, now it's a barren waste. Sorry to hear that, buddy. Alright, so this town is a bunch of, depressed people. Yeah, there's a whole world to explore now. Well, let's hope that there's another dock somewhere down there. Please have a dock there. No? Oh man, no dock. I'm gonna go around this island, wasting my time. Okay. Looking for a dock somewhere. Oh, man. You get locked into these random encounters, and then you forget where the hell you were before, then you do... block back. You're like, oh, I was here before. Oh, random encounter. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Nothing. Ugh. Well, music's good. Why can't I just go out anywhere? Why can't I just drop anchor and just swim to shore? At least these guys are weak, but they just happen too often. No. Why do you fight me when you know you're gonna lose? You must be drunk. How did I get ambushed? Were they holding their breath and just jumped on board and surprised me? Because if they're buccaneers, they'd have another ship, and I'd be able to see them in the distance, right? Weirdage. Well, looks like that dock is the only place we've got, then. Shit. But there are a couple of caves in that island we can explore. Oh, shit. Yeah, we're done with Tesla. That's really disappointing. Go, aggregate it on the 15-minute time frame and you see what I dealt with. I had a strong... So I played it on the 5-minute, right? So I had a strong 5-minute, I bought in. It had a strong 15-minute bar, but then the immediate reversal was pretty bad, and then it reversed it within the 15 minutes, so I thought for sure we had made a low for the day, but we didn't. It just kept, it reversed the reversal, and Jesus, it's just so bad. I'll never financially recover from this. Is it buffering? Yeah, it looks like it's buffering. Alright. Give it a second. Who's stealing my internet? Watching Netflix. There we go. It should be good now. They're having random spikes. Should be good now. I see green. Ba-da-ba-bum, bee-dee-boom, bada-bee, bada-boom-boom-boom. Let me know if it's okay now, Moonwatcher. Ah, the jamming of the A button intensifies. I hope that gaze doesn't turn me to stone, because I don't have anything to, get rid of that. Alright, so we got a couple caves here. I'm gonna have to go back all the way to the dock, because apparently it's only reachable one direction. Yay, I'm fine. A random internet spike. Okay. Oh, man. Oh, jeez. I wish I could zoom out a little bit. Not like the map mode, but like just a little bit up. This up higher a little bit. Why? Okay, so I have to get back to Melmon, and then I have to walk that distance. The joys of boat travel. I can't really be on a boat for too long, it makes me sick. I did one of these nice, restaurants on a boat, and... I mean, this is good food, but I'm gonna puke here, man. I mean, dragons don't spend their time in water. Unless you're a water dragon, I guess there's some of those weirdos. Okay, I'm dead. Alright, let's hope there isn't a stupid mountain range or something blocking me. But we know where we need to go here. Okay, so first is this, how much you charging me to sleep? 100? That's good. Sorry if I offended any water dragons. I'm just not much of a water worm myself. Alright, let's walk over there. Better not be a mountain range blocking me after this long walk. Okay. This, swampy image kind of gives me a throwback to when I was young. Lived near a swamp. It's kind of interesting to explore. Now it's all dried up. Alright, so there's one thing we can go to. Here. Okay, what's in this? Giant's Cave. Well, there better be giants in here. I wouldn't want to be disappointed again today. Holy crap. Okay. Yes, there are giants in this cave. But I wonder if they're friendly giants. Got kind of goofy music to it. Hey, buddy. Okay. I thought he fought me. No. Alright, let's actually talk to this person. Hi. You shall not pass. Okay, Gandalf. Well, that was an interesting conversation. Alright. Well. Love how we, have such heroic music after getting rejected like that. Couldn't reason with a guy, you just said, get the F out. Alright, let's see if we can go down further south. Gosh, can't move anywhere. Somehow this is still enjoyable, despite being attacked every second. Alright, what do we got here? There's a cave. Cavern of Earth. Door here. There is a lower level to the right. Oh! Spiders. Step on them. Don't let them poison you. Cool beans. Run, 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 run. Oh! Run, 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 run to the staircase. More spiders. What is this, Australia? Things are huge. Oh, we got poisoned. He got a lucky shot off. Alright, Poisona. He has pretty low hit points. Maybe I should have gone with a thief. Kiki. I'm the Bat Whisperer. Where's the staircase? Okay, there's one way over there. I guess we can ignore most of this. Oh man, come on! I just looked at my map for a second. Now we got really flamboyant bulls. Minotaurs. Extremely ripped Minotaurs in pink. I'm sure that's somebody's fetish. Alright, where's my, deal? Okay, right. Ah, boy. Ooh, cobras. Ay, ay, ay. Snap, crackle, pop. All ogre, man. I'm gonna keep making that joke over and over again every time I see an ogre. You like really flamboyant bulls better than minotaurs? But at least minotaurs have like a lower section that is like a dude. So at least you'd be able to do something with it. Okay. Where am I going now? So we have this lower section here. So there's nothing here but a bunch of doors, so I guess something to do here. Gotta go through every door. Pisco Demon. Alright, up. Hey, treasure chest. Gonna let me get my loot, man. My loots. Pop. Open. Sleeping bag. Great. My pockets are filled with sleeping bags and tents. Oh no, he's stuck. Man, you're beating up on a disabled guy. What's wrong with you? Alright. Bum bum. Ba 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 ba. Alright. No doors to the left. Ah, there is one. Okay, well. No. Well, at least the jelly is taking physical damage. That's good. I wouldn't want to waste my spells on that dumb thing. Such humble for beginnings for Final Fantasy. I really love the franchise. Oh god, they got me with the poison again. It's almost as annoying as that one cave that, kept getting poisoned all the time. Alright, everyone's healed up. Let's go in, what's in here? Don't be a monsters in the box. Earth Elemental, oh sheesh. Man, this thief can't do anything but attack. Why can't he even steal things, man? Okay, so this might be a problem here. I don't know what this guy's gonna do. If he's an elemental, could we silence him? Probably. Alright. Silence. Ah! Well, that was... Okay, well, at least he's dead, but, that was rather disappointing for one of my strongest spells. Gold Needle. That was like, anti-stone, right? I forgot what those did. Yeah, Cure Stone, okay. My brain has not completely left me yet. Up, we're out of, level 1 spells. Yeah, this one operates more like Dungeons & Dragons, where you have a limited amount of usage for spells on different levels, instead of having the magic points of the other games. Wearing out my A button. Do I need heals? Pretty good still. Okay, where are we going? So we did that one. Okay. Oh no, I missed the... Oh! That's a problem with running. I just slid by the area I needed to go through. Boom. We're not insane. Don't be monster in a box. Hey, money! Moonwatcher, thanks for stopping by. Good to see you always. Okay, a door down here. Okay, there's 3 doors. What? Okay, that must be a room down there that I can go through to get to that plaque or whatever it is. See, why don't they make this, hummable music anymore? Like, you can actually memorize this little song and just have it play in your head. Now everything's these grand orchestras, and I can't make heads or tails out of, like, a central theme in a lot of them. So it doesn't get in my head as much. Man, if this is Zelda, it almost looks like a place I'd put a bomb to blow up a new entrance. Oh my god! There's a lot of bad guys in there. Ugh. Gotta adjust myself to get into serious mode. Bam. Alright, so we got... Okay, I guess they're just bats. We got one bad dude here. Let's make sure we got enough stuff. Okay, we're all healed up. She could use... I should have bought more ethers. Oh no, I only have one. Alright, so we went undersupplied. Alright. Okay, here we go. That was another earth elemental, who cares? Oof. That was quite the hit. He definitely shook loose my brain from its stem there for a second. Okay, that guy's a nobody. Alright, so more of the floor is revealed here. So there's a treasure chest in this door. And yeah, that's a double door room to get us to that plaque or whatever it is. Ugh! Lots of wolves. Yeah, you better run. Block everything! The strategy of hitting the attack over and over and over again. Good for you. Alright. Please move. Can I do an eye roll? Does that work? Bye. Go back to the... wherever you came from. 1,000 gold. Well, good money if you survived through all this. Alright. Blue Bat. And that Blue Bat is stationary. You look like a boss. I suspect you're a boss. Whoops, don't do that. Oh shit, you know what I should have done? I should have saved. Oh god. Uh-oh. Huh. Do I like my chances? Got lots of stuff still. Okay, the only one who's beat up is our warrior. Wait a minute. That better have been that dude. Don't tell me that was a random encounter before that boss. Oh my god, I walk one step after checking my inventory and I get a random encounter. It's not even the dude I'm supposed to fight. All things in this world are destined to end in death. World? Oh, he's a vampire, so he has to make every other... Oh, I'm disappointed. I thought he had like a vampire accent and do V's on everything. Like broken and birth and rot. Bruh, buh. Oh shit. You cannot alter destiny. Mere mortals cannot kill the undying. Okay. Uh-oh. Alright, we're gonna have to go serious. Full serious here. I don't really know what this guy's gonna throw at us. We tried doing silencing on just like a regular enemy and it didn't work. Faraga, oh yeah, we're burning the vampire. Step in the light, buddy. Wow. Look at that effect. You're nobody. Man, you had that whole speech, and you're nothing. Didn't even last one round. Waste of dialogue on you, buddy. Wow. What are you giving me? Star Ruby, I don't know what you're used for, but you're important because we got heroic fanfare music. Oh gosh! Get out of my life. Good experience. Alright, what is this? A stone slab is set in the floor, an evil force seems to emanate from within. I mean... I have a ruby that I don't know what to do with. Can I stick it in somewhere? You telling me I went through this entire cave to run into a dead end? I am disappointed. I'm gaining wrinkles as we speak. Bing, 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 bong. Ugh. Should set up some automation so I can step away and pee or something. Because this thing is just... out of my way. Up. Right. Down. Ugh. Oh, you knocked down my warrior guy. He's stuck. Alright, we're gonna have to do a round of healing after this, because we're a little bit low. Man. Going for the easy target. Alright. Heals. Alright, she's out of the low-level, now I guess she has Cure again. I did use that ether from earlier. Okay. Right down. Shit. Jelly belongs on a sandwich. I shouldn't have to fight Jelly. Smack him with that cane. Yes. Alright. So, now where's the exit? Man. I guess there's a couple of doors here we didn't go into, because we were so focused on the, getting to the bottom floor. Nope. There's the, sexy... pink minotaurs again. So what, there was 3 chiefs and like a employee? It's a lot of middle management from ogres. Ooh. Coral sword. Tent. Money. Oops. Alright, so we're all out of potions, so don't screw up. Preemptive strike. Alright, let's see if we can beat all these guys in one turn. Nope. You're falling behind quota there. Oh man, you got poisoned? Jeez. You should have an immunity to that crap by now. Poisona. Persona. Alright, what else we got here? Oops. Got one door way down there. Is it worth going down there? Kinda low on resources and I haven't saved yet. Greed! I've said this before, but it's too bad that I don't auto, heal after gaining levels up like some RPGs. But they probably didn't think about that way back when. Antidote. Thanks. Bat traffic. Got some bat traffic here today. Okay. What's in here? Oh god. So he's guarding 2 different chests. Do I want to have him... He's probably an earth elemental, but, gotta be cautious here. Okay, we're out of low-level, heals now. Hope he's an earth element. Okay, we can whoop his butt. Yeah, we didn't win in one turn. Boom. Money. Leather shield? At this point, we got things way better than that. 5,000? Wow. Alright, leather shield. Why? Why is that in here? Is that like a joke equipment? I mean, not even the mages can carry that thing. That's just a joke item. Haha! I got it. That guy has a headache. Alright. Top left. Bad traffic again. Out. Alright, up. No! These guys have a lot of hit points, man. Took me a bit to kill that first roll. Oh, and they heal, too. Bye. Okay. Those Gigas characters are a lot stronger in the later games. Like when they do their headbutt attack. Alright, where's the exit? Okay, exit's right there. So there are 2 rooms, 3 rooms, but I think they're just bullshit at this point. I need to get outside and save. So don't give me any surprise random encounters that are bosses or something. You ran into a secret boss. Now you die. Alright. Saved. No takesy backsies. We have a cave here. Giant's cave that they're not letting me go through. I need to get equipment. Oh. That's a lot of guys. Taking out the ogre employees. No promotion to ogre chief. I wonder if anyone's in the map on how many miles or kilometers these characters are walking. A lot of exercise. Oh, jeez, right in front of the town. You guys have shadows outside the town. Where are the guards? Thanks. Alright, I really need to pee. We're outside. Here, I'll go into town. Alright, I'm in town. We're in a safe place. I must pee. I'll be right back. Alright, I just took a mighty dragon piss. So let's continue. Okay. They charge a reasonable amount for a room. $36,000. Oh, we could buy it too. Knight's armor. Woohoo. So if I buy this, do you promise not to, just randomly drop something better in a cave? At least not for a little while? Because that's half of my money right there. Did it. Come on. Knight's armor. Man, my evasion goes down even further, but almost doubles my defense. So then we got thief guy. Man, what do you even do with thieves, man? They don't even steal. He does nothing. It's really weird. Where's that mithril mill? There we go. Let's at least, oh, coral sword. Hold on. Wow. Forgot I got that. Worm killer to... Wait a minute. It does the same thing? So the coral sword's exactly the same as the worm killer. That's odd. Ah, Thief can use it. Bam, that's a huge upgrade for him. Cool. So it's actually in the weapons shop here. Garbage. That guy just had a random, really strong piece of armor. Where's the item shop? Because we need potions and stuff. Doesn't look like you have one here. Black Mage Shop, White Mage Shop, Weapon Shop, Defense Shop. You do not have... If the Earth Crystal regains its glow, life will return to the Earth, okay? I mean, I know that, there was other things we could have done there, but we didn't know what the hell to do. In a cave on the southern tip of the continent lives a man named Sada. He is a wise man, okay? You're not wise, you got a long beard. I may be old, but I'm not wise, is what he's telling me. On the southern tip of the continent, there's some old ram guy. So let's see. Oh. So we were at the tip. I was trying to figure out how to fit in a just the tip joke, but fit it in. So we gotta make to the southern part of the continent. Maybe that guy tells us what we should have been doing there. Because there's that tablet thing that we couldn't interact with. All we could do is stare at it. That coral sword's... man. It actually is a piece of coral. It's got all the weird, side pieces to it. Alright. So he said at the southern tip of the continent there's some wise dude. I didn't see anyone over here. Ow. You pinched me. Alright, southern tip. Which... so the southernmost tip is right here, right? There's nothing there, man. You lied to me. Hold on a second, gotta look at the map again. Does he consider this an arm? Because they're separate areas. You and your one line of dialogue with no elaboration. You blinded me. Please tell me that... Okay, good. It's not a permanent thing. Blindness is not permanent. There is hope. Lesser Tiger. Yeah, that Coral Sword's weird. That was a massive buff for the thief, though. Alright. So it depends. Oh, I guess they are connected. Hmm. So I guess all the way to the, east and down would count? I didn't think these were connected. Still, his instructions were vague. That is so good. Holy moly. Okay, so this is where the, Cave of the Giants was. Yes, okay. We weren't told anything about this, but we have the Star Ruby. I was hoping that would do something. Give me Star Ruby, I will let you pass. There you go. Knock yourself out. You ate it? Well, hopefully you didn't need to use that for anything. Soft locked. You needed the Star Ruby to do blank, and you don't have it anymore. Got such nice music in here, and yet there's bad guys in here. Great axe. Money. Money. Mithril helm, okay. There we go. Wow, a whole one defense. Holy... Jeez. So I think we got an axe. I don't want to reduce my accuracy that much. For only 3 measly, attack points. More spiders. Please kill these guys before we get poisoned. Because there wasn't a shop there. We couldn't, buy antidotes or anything. Oh gosh. You are very lesser. All that was a pop out to the other side? Okay. Is there actually anything over here? I don't see a dot. Wait, 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 wait. Alright. Getting distracted here. Oh Jesus, you gotta... Man... Poisona. Okay, what's over here? Another cave. Great. What's in here? Sage. Okay, this is the... So it was on this. See, I knew this was, I knew they were disconnected, but he was kind of vague, that old guy, when he was saying where to go. Pot. You got a lot of pot in here. For medicinal purposes, right? Okay, nothing in there. Alright. Nothing. Look at that sage. Wow. Got a special sprite and everything. Yes, we defeated the vampire. He was but a servant. The beast corrupting the earth crystal lurks much deeper within. Take this staff and use it behind the vampire's chamber. That's really stupid. These, back and forth things are just stupid. Is that it? So I'll go all the way to the bottom of that dungeon just to get the Star Ruby to come back all the way up here, talk to an ogre, and then grab something from this old dude to go back down to the dungeon again. That's fucking dumb. Ridiculous fetch quest. Wee, 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 wee. Ugh. Oh, jeez. Actually, now I'm curious about something. I'm gonna have to ask Jupiter. Alright, let me know what they can do then, buddy.
Ah, Dragon. Thieves may seem a bit underwhelming in the original Final Fantasy game, but they do have their uses. While they may not pack the same punch in terms of raw damage or magic, thieves excel in stealing items from enemies during battles. This can be super handy for obtaining rare and valuable items that could give you an edge in your adventure. Hey, Dragon. It seems like your thief might not have the steal ability in combat. In the original Final Fantasy game, not all thieves have access to stealing in battles. However, there are specific weapons, such as the thief's knife, which may grant the ability to steal. So, check if your thief has the right equipment to enable the steal option. And if not, Don't worry, your thief can still shine in other ways throughout your adventure. Keep on slaying those monsters.
Well, that's a very diplomatic answer. Literally brought this guy in to steal stuff, but... he don't do it. He didn't do nothing. Yeah, he only has defend and flee. And why does he have like a random magic thing here? Can thieves use magic? Let me ask him that.
Hey, Dragon. In the original Final Fantasy game, thieves typically have limited access to magic compared to other character classes. While they may have a few low-level spells available, their magical abilities are generally more limited than classes specialized in spellcasting, such as wizards or white mages. Thieves are more focused on their agility, speed, and sneaky skills rather than magical prowess. So, don't expect your thief to be a powerhouse in the...
Our thief is a little bit weird. Impotent thief. Alright, actually let me step back out for a second. So, Cavern of the Earth, we've got that, staff thing. Let's save. I ain't walking through all that crap again. Alright. So, writing down. Ah, Jesus. Ogre Chief without ogre employees. Alright, make our way all the way down there. Oh boy. Yeah. Ah, fuck. Whack, 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 whack. Whack. Whacking it, whacking it, whacking it. Missed my exit. You trolling. I mean, these guys aren't even worth fighting. Why do you even come up on my screen? Cobra! Beep 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 doo. Poisoned again. Ha! He can only poison you once, assholes. Two of them fled. Well, we better get experience from you guys. Cool. Alright, where are we going? We're going around there. Man, why you gotta make things complicated? Why'd you have to go and make things so complicated? Doobie doo, doobie doo, doobie doo, doobie. Bam, 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 boo doo 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 doo. Pretty sure we went here. So we went in there, we gotta go through here, we gotta do this. Cockatrice, please don't stone me. Oh! Oh, thank God. No stoners. Fuck. Pisco demon. Pissers. Three ogre chiefs and one ogre again. One guy doing work. And three guys managing. Surprise! Oh, I better get heals in. My thief is a little bit low. Good for nothing, thief. Maybe we'll just have two warriors on the team. Man, you took the most beatings by far. Holy smokes. Alright. Open. Ooh. Basement level 4. Alright, so... what we got here? Possible boss. Oh my god, there's another exit down there. Oh Jesus, this room is huge. So, possible thingy down there is a rather large room. And they're putting stuff on the opposite side of things. Okay, at least want to finish this part of the story today, and then we'll figure out if we want to do anything else. Booms. Yep. Okay. Damn, that's a lot of guys. Holy smokes. Damn, I should have just... got carried away with hitting the A button. I should have just done a massive fire sweep. Okay, next time. Man, that's the biggest group of dudes I've seen so far. Alright. Fire. Bye. Still alive? We gotta be really low there, buddy. Oh, now you run away, punks. Stand still and die, please. Pissers. Am I winning? I didn't win in the stock market today, I lost, but having fun with Final Fantasy now. How's your day going? Alright, I think we only have one more use of this. So we'll use heals. Now we're out of heals, but we got one more cure left. Ah, jeez, monsters? So you a stock trader too, or are you a gamer? What are your hobbies? Ogre Mage. Hey, blinded one of my dudes. Okay, we got a tent in the box. Are you gonna have monsters in every chest in here? Jeez, man. Wasn't even worth worth it with the... Oh, they cast Blizzara too? Man, it's better be worth it. That was quite a waste of resources for nothing. Haven't traded natural gas. I know some people like to trade the U-gas and D-gas, like the inverted, you know, trading no matter which way it goes. Who's that guy? Ricky Gutierrez. Yeah, he was the one that likes natural gas. When I used to watch him, that's all you would trade, just the inverse and the long version. Okay, let's not get carried away here. Blizzara? No, we want Fyra, okay. I'm a day trader, I'm trying to make it work full time. We have a good win rate, but those, my downsides are a little bit too much. Alright. Mithril Shield, there we go. Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good. So usually what I do is I'll trade until I either hit target or hit stop loss and then go into a game. That's pretty much what I focus the content around. And then on Friday nights, do a game if I have time. But I just do stocks, I don't do options or futures or forex, but I do have viewers that do forex and futures. I know a bit more about that. They basically apply the same principles if you're a day trader on all of them. Alright. Don't turn me into stone. That'd be very annoying. Alright, downstairs, basement level 5. Is there an obvious boss room in here? Yes, there is. Okay, we're almost there. And there's literally nothing up there. That's interesting. It's kind of a wasted amount of space in this room. She's getting really low. Alright, make your way to that boss. Try not to waste your magic points because you don't have any ethers or anything to revive that stuff. Don't get poisoned. Don't poison, please. Oh. I think I have one more antidote left. I got 2 antidotes left, okay. Down, 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 down. A mummy. Please tell me they don't have... Good, they don't have very many hit points. Telling gameplay, slamming on the A button over and over again. There we go. So we can do a revival, we've got mass cure, but we don't have any low-level stuff, so... kind of not in the best position. Okay, random troll. Okay, we're right outside the boss's door here. What do we have? We got X Potion, that might be a little bit too much. Fully restores hit points. And we got nothing in between. We got some choices. Alright. Magic. Oh, how many uses? Okay, we got 5 uses, so I guess it's... Alright, that should be good, that should be good. Still got a few more uses of this. So here's the Earth Crystal. Is this gonna be a boss, or what? Ah, shit. I am he who feeds on the power of the earth. Typical jerk. I will not be disturbed by mortal men. I am the lich, fiend of the earth. Well, you're about to get gang-busted. Well, let's hope he's weak against fire. Boomies. That does a lot of damage, man. We should be able to get this guy no problem. Do it again. It's the best thing you've got going for you. Man, he's still alive. Sheesh. Okay, that was a lot of damage. Alright, we need to get some heals in here. Restores HP to the entire party. Let's do this. Alright, another round of... No! Oh my god, we barely survived that. How did he get a strike in first? Thank you, God. Oh, that's still pretty weak. Please don't go first, and don't do Blizzard again. Thank you. That was kind of random. He skipped ahead of us on the line. Die! I'm melting, melting, ah! Okay. We have restored the Earth Crystal. Are you gonna make our splat our way out all the way? Or are you gonna make this cave peaceful now? Because I am out of resources here, man. Oh, Jesus, nope. Oh, fight our way in, fight our way out, even though we've, killed the big bad. That's rough. Well, maybe we'll actually get an item shop at that town now that the Earth has been restored, right? Oops! Don't do that, don't do that. Never make that mistake again. Roll! Rolling. Man, you're making me walk all the way over there? Jeez, man, this is painful. The good thing is that we had leveled up a ton just wandering around the map. Because that Lich guy actually had a ton of hit points, so it took us a couple of attacks of our best spell to beat him. Alright, as soon as I get to town, we're gonna wrap it up. I'll probably go over my trade today, and, kind of a heartbreaker, that one. It's gonna take a minute to get to town, though. Got a bunch of floors to scale up. This thing is a stupid Pac-Man maze, man. Ah, you're poisoned again. God damn. Which way can we go? We can go up. Nope, it's a blocker. We can go down. Stupid. Really annoying. Hopefully there's an item in this game that we can equip or something to reduce the random encounters. Probably not. This is a remake of the older game. I don't think they had thought of that. What was that? Was that a new, new wand? Nope. Okay. Old stuff. Not useful. Now we gotta heal up. Shoot, I didn't realize we're that low already. Don't want to die here. Ooh! Kinda a little close there. Alright, no more heals. We are out of heals completely, man. Oh god, are we gonna make it? Gonna have to start running. But it takes forever to run in this game. It's better off just fighting. Because you waste a turn. If you can't run off immediately, then you're just wasting attack time. Oh, even the White Mage can do a pretty strong attack now against these little weaklings. Please, baby. Ah! Alright. Oh, another long, windy tunnel. Mummy. I like the original Mummy movies. The Brendan Fraser ones, those weren't bad. Alright. Zoom, zoom. I'm gonna eat my cat here in a second. Okay, long way around here. What? Out of my way, bat. Had enough of turning around, time to burn you all alive. I guess they're erased, they're already dead. Never mind. Burn you to death again. Oh god. Just let me live! How does the dragon work? So stepping outside of character for a second, it uses the, motion camera. I just use a regular webcam to track my movements assigned to this avatar. But in character, it's fucking magic. Usually I'm a massive dragon and I wouldn't be able to talk to humans. So I've reduced myself in size. And, learned English. Alright, get out of here. Exit. Alright, last floor, but we gotta go, wait a minute. B2. Man, we have to go all the way up there? What the hell were they thinking when they made this? Okay, too many gargoyles. We're gonna have to burn them. Ow! Jesus, they all went first? That's ruthless. Thank you. Go to hell. These are so close yet so far away. Hopefully we have one more antidote for this dude. But we have no more healing potions whatsoever. It's gonna get rough. Can't save either. Alright, please tell me I have antidotes. I do not have an antidote, but we do have one more. Okay, so we do have one more X potion, but this is a complete restoration. Oh, we have one potion. Okay, here we go. But no, I mean, I guess we could use our remedy, but those are oh, we got 78,000 bucks. Okay. Remedy this. Minotaur with a 6-pack. Thank you, God. Oh! Spoke too soon. Just get to town. That's all I'm asking. Thank you, God. Okay, so at least we're outside. We can save here. Alright. Town. Everyone should be happy now we, saved the Earth from corruption. Yeah, I think we could survive a poison hit. Long enough to get to town. Don't slip on your own puke as we get over there. Oh, Jesus, we did it! Yes, I will gladly pay 100 gold pieces to sleep. Yay! Except I don't think that cures poison, from what I remember, does it? It doesn't cure poison. Let me save real quick. Well, I made it to town. Alright. Restore the Crystals of Grace, we did. Why is this town still fucked up? Earth is coming back, okay. Well, I guess we've accomplished what we needed to do here, but this town doesn't have any, items. So I guess we're gonna have to just rely on our white mage spells. Anything else we need from a white mage? Let's see. Hiraga, we got life. Deals damage to all undead enemies, might be useful. We got heal. Okay. Oh, so this kid did give us a clue. We just didn't listen to him. They'll eat about any kind of rock, but they hear that they like gems. So that was the gem that we picked up, but we kind of randomly stumbled onto that. Okay, does this guy get anything new? Nope. Ugh. So we restored the Earth Crystal, everything's good over here. Override this save. Alright. Give me one moment. Alright, so we are gonna wrap it up here, but I'm gonna go over my trades just to, really put into context what the hell we went through this morning. Alright, let's get this thing up. Alright, let me see. Does it work? Yes. So we had a strong first 15-minute candle. We survived this pullback here, and then there was a reversal, and this, you know, this is a green bar. We had a target up here that we wanted this thing to hit, but it reversed again, and I can't believe it, but it reversed the reversal and it broke below the low. We actually had to stop right here because I didn't want that last candle, I didn't want that reversal candle to get taken out, and it did. I can't believe it. But I also warned that they typically like to make a new high before they roll it over. In retrospect, I mean, there's all kinds of things I could have done. I could have exited out here when this high got taken out, but it was a really painful, pain-in-the-ass day. Tesla fucked us over 2 times in a row. What brought me to going long today was the retest of this area from Friday. So we opened up here, we bought it, we retested this area, then we reversed that massive, we reversed this downtrend candle. God, and we made a new high, and then we just rolled over. That's such a pain in the ass. I can't believe that happened. So it's definitely gonna go down in my notes here, because that's a full reversal, and typically that happens a little less than a quarter of the time each month, at least from my historical records around for the past 5 years doing that. So they just ran into a day where that happens. So we're just gonna mark that down and hope that that type of event still happens the same amount of time. But yeah, we got stopped out again, so we have 2 full stop outs back to back, and I really wanted to have a win today so I could have that just on record, but we're gonna have to keep doing this, keep grinding. And that's a really bad one too, so that sucks. But yeah, we have to go back to this tomorrow and see where things end up. It sucks because the market is actually up now too. It was hesitant in the morning, and the NASDAQ created a wide-ranging 15-minute candle, and then it finally broke above it, and now it's just been going forward. But Tesla just did a full rollover, so I was in the one thing today that didn't actually make it anywhere, so that's a pain in the ass. But that's a summary of what we went through today. That's a really unfortunate piece of business. That's why this thing's a grind. And we'll see if, you know, the win rate is still there, but these losses suck ass. So we'll see where we're at the end of the month. We're still have plenty of time left, still plenty of trading days, but I hate having these 2 losses back to back. It's kind of demoralizing. Looks like Tesla might form a bottom here, but we're done, I think. We'll see how I feel after I take a nap and maybe revisit this and see what happens. But that's a story. So we lost today, but I had enough in the tank to play Final Fantasy a little bit. I'd like to try a different game tomorrow, probably, because we need to get another title in for just content purposes. And then at the end of the month, I'm gonna play a hell of a lot of Final Fantasy VII Rebirth. That comes out the 29th. So I'll probably play quite a bit of it and then have to work the weekend to put all the highlights together. Anyway, that's it for me. Nothing else to do here. But take it. And that's how my day has been. Alright. Peace out, take it easy. If you continue to trade, don't lose it all. Man, there was 2 times where I could have taken $300 in profit, but there's a target there for a reason. You don't want to take half profits and then full stop outs. You gotta let things run. At least that's my experience for the last few years. I made my winners too low by taking it and leaving too much on the table. Alright, we'll get back to this tomorrow, but that's it for me today. Have a good one. Thanks for joining me. Bye-bye.